Hey, what's up, challenge holders? What's up, challenge holder? Today video is going very special for challenge holder, and this is one reason to challenge growing very fastly. But I have one more good news, and the good news is very good news, my brother. My good news is that to I have a giveaway. The giveaway is coming soon very fastly. Just complete 3000 subscribe, then I make a special video, for giveaway. Okay, brother, so the giveaway is a Chiliz coin, because I announcement this is simple announcement for brothers to alert you. Okay, Chiliz holder, the announcement is that to I giveaway of 5000 Chiliz coins. So 5000 Chiliz coins giveaway is coming soon, but you have first complete 3000 subscribe. Hope you just do it. Just 2000, I think 200 subscribe is needed. Okay, so you complete it. So let's get started this brand video, guys. If you can see here, this is the live price production of Chiliz. First of all, you can see here, this is the last 24-hour result. I gonna show you the two more charts, then we decide to what we do at this critical situation, because Chiliz is going very fastly, and I am very excited, I'm very happy, therefore I do a giveaway. Okay, guys, you can see here the plus 3.52%, they gone up like a rocket. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. They totally gone up like a rocket. You can see here the chart result going straight, and they take a very high jump. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that they take a very high jump, my brother, and they take a small amount down again, and it's going straight. But I hope in upcoming days they go on again straight up, because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency goes down. But this is, I think, starting the second week of this month. I hope they gone very fastly grow up. So what you say, can they gain your expectation as good from that or bad? Okay, please share it in a comment box, can also mention it. Okay, so guys, this time you can see here, this is last 3 days chart. You can see here the latest change as plus 4.48%. this is good change, absolutely very good change. You can see here the latest price is 0.5077 US dollar, and I hope this is the half dollar. I hope at the end of month they cross easily 1 US dollar. What do you say, can they can cross 1 US dollar? I hope they cross 1 US dollar. You can see here, this is very a small jump, but good this time, good, this is very good jump. You can see here they take at this type good jumps, then I hope they cross 1 US dollar. So my expectation is good from Chiliz. Please share your expectation and opinion also. So my opinion is that I cannot order you brothers to, this is good time to you buy more. Absolutely everybody know that this is good time to you buy more. So my opinion is that to you buy, I cannot order you to but urgently buy, but I just share my opinion to I am going to buy more if I need. Okay, so if you have any plan to buy more, then kindly buy. This time is good for you, and wait for and hold it, and wait for the end of this month, or wait for 2025. Okay, guys, I am waiting for 2025 because they're going very fastly. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. The giveaway is coming. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and videos. Okay, for all cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Like video, just complete 100. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.